Hi everyone, in today's video I'll be walking you through on how you can change your video background for free. Okay, so if you're a content creator that do sit down and talk videos, reaction videos, or whatever form of video you do that requires you to sit down still at one position, then this video is for you. Or if you're a new YouTuber, you're considering starting a YouTube channel and your background is only you back because it's bad or something, don't worry, help is here. For the purpose of this tutorial, we'll be using an app called InShot. Yes, InShot will be the one to do the magic for us. However, Capcut also does this feature, but it's a pro version and you have to pay for it. Or you can actually edit your videos, use all the pro effects and screen record your videos, then you upload. I have personally tried this before, but I did not like the end result. Hence, I resolved to use InShot. Okay, so if you're a content creator that does sit down and talk videos, please, your background is boring. Change it. I'm only kidding, anyways. But to me, I actually feel that having a beautiful background just make people watch your videos, and human naturally we are drawn at attractive things. Okay, so when you are talking, people are actually looking at your background, like feeling the vibes you get, instead of just looking at your face trying to find fault in it. Okay, so let's try and upgrade our skills. Sit down, talk creators. Okay, I'm part of it anyways. Without further talking, let's head into InShot. So before you go to InShot, you must have done all your editing on Capcut. Yes, we will still use Capcut for our editing because InShot do not have the effect that I love. I don't know about you anyways, but Capcut is the latest, is the Gen Z app editing and their effect is really nice. Okay, so actually edit all your videos on Capcut. Just remove all the unwanted parts and download your videos and go to InShot. So let's do this now. So this is my InShot. This is my editing apps. Okay, so InShot. Don't know why it's not giving me landscape mode. Okay, let's use the portrait then. So you go click on video, click on, so you can see these are all my videos I've done before. So let's just use a simple one. Let's just use this one. It's not easy, sha. Content creator. So before then, if you have not watched my video on how to create a thumbnail, go and watch it because I showed you how you can generate a background for your videos. I won't be going into that in this video. Okay, I'm dropping the link below. You go to background. First of all, you have to cut out this background. Okay, you go on cut out. Cut out it will load, so you can see it's 28, 29, 30. Let that all cut out. Cut out completed, then okay. You can actually remove this one. If you don't want the watermark to show, you have to click on free remove, then the art will play. So while the art is playing, if you have not subscribed to my channel, please like, comment and subscribe. Consider joining my membership for exclusive perks and mentories. Okay, thank you so much for always coming back to watch my videos. I appreciate you all, my newbies, my OGs. Thank you very much. Without you, I would not have subscribers. Thank you for coming back to watch my videos every time. I really do not take it for granted. And to every content creator out there, don't worry, keep posting, keep doing what you love doing. One day we will make it. Okay, all right, that's still loading. Let's still wait. Okay, it's finished now. The back, you can see the background is now black. Then you come to background. Okay, then you click on this box that is blank. Decide to add your own background. Okay, I'll just add this one that I did the other day. So you can see now, so you can see I'm hanging. You just have to click on the, you drag it down. As you can see, I've dragged it down now, right? So voila. So So you can see everything is as beautiful as possible. Okay, it's just a 3-minute video. Then when that is done, you don't need to blur the background of this one, just make it as realistic as possible. It's very beautiful, right? Then you export. Resolution 2K, 4K, however you want it, then just export it like that. As you can see, it's saved now. So let's go and watch it in our gallery. So this is the video now. This is for, this is the after. As you can see, I don't have a bad background. As you can see, my background is white, but it's just boring, it's just basic. Okay, so I just decided to add this to just enhance the beauty of this video. So I hope you found something valuable today. Please don't forget to give us a like, comment, share, subscribe, and consider joining my membership. Until next time, peace space is rooting for you guys. Bye.